easy, cheaper, healthier, but still crispy, sweet, and better than takeout. Hey guys, let's cook. Start with the sauce in a medium saucepan. Whisk together orange juice. Now fresh juice and zest give a brighter, stronger orange flavor, but butter juice works if that's what you have. Sugar, cornstarch with water for thickening, vinegar, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, chili flakes for heat. Bring it to a simmer, let it cook for 6 to 8 minutes until thick and glossy. Once it's off the heat, stir in fresh orange zest. The sauce offers similar flavors to American takeout, but fresher and better. Now the chicken. You can also use chicken breast, but thighs have stronger flavors and stay juicier, tender longer, which is most restaurant use. Each piece is about 1 inch long. Just toss them with cornstarch and a little bit of salt. Cornstarch is traditional Chinese style that gives lighter, crisper coating, less greasy, less heavy, and fewer calories, as opposed to all-purpose flour. Heat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Oil should be at least ½ inch deep. Fry in batches for about 3 minutes each. Make sure they don't stick together, so don't overcrowd the pot. Flip halfway, golden outside, and that's what we want. While it's still hot, toss the chicken with the sauce. Not too early, not sitting around. That's how you keep the outside crisp before it softens. Serve immediately over hot rice with vegetables for a complete healthy meal. Crispy exterior, juicy inside, and everything else better than takeout. Now I'm curious, how much you're paying for takeout orange chicken? Let me know in the comments. If you like quick, healthy, budget-friendly dinners like this, subscribe and check out my other easy homemade recipes. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.